Hi, everyone. Today we have an easy story to help you practice English. Let's begin.
Alex, a 16-year-old, was tidying their messy bedroom. Books were piled high and clothes were scattered around. Ugh, Mom's gonna have a fit if I don't clean this, Alex muttered. Under a stack of old magazines, Alex found a strange envelope. It was thick, yellowish, and had no stamp. Weirdest of all, written in neat, silver handwriting was Alex's name and "to be opened on your 16th birthday." Today was Alex's 16th birthday. How did this get here? Alex's heart thumped. With trembling fingers, Alex tore open the envelope. Inside was a single sheet of paper, also old-looking. The same silver handwriting filled the page. It started, "Dear Alex of the past." The letter listed several things that would happen. The first one was small. "Today you will spill orange juice on your new white t-shirt at breakfast." Alex scoffed. "Yeah, right. I'm not even wearing a white t-shirt." Alex decided to wear a dark green one instead, just to be safe, and almost forgot about the letter. At breakfast, Alex's younger brother, Sam, was being extra clumsy. "Watch it," Alex said, as Sam nearly knocked over the cereal box. A moment later, while reaching for the toast, Sam's elbow bumped Alex's arm. The glass of orange juice Alex was holding tipped. Orange liquid splashed all over the front of Alex's dark green t-shirt. "Oh, come on," Alex groaned, then froze. The letter. It said orange juice. It didn't say white t-shirt. A shiver ran down Alex's spine. Alex rushed back to the bedroom and snatched up the letter. The next prediction read, "You will find Aunt Carol's lost car keys under the sofa in the living room." Alex's Aunt Carol had visited last week and had been frantic because she couldn't find her spare car keys. Everyone had searched everywhere. "No way," Alex whispered, but a part of them was now very curious. Alex crept downstairs to the living room. Alex got down on hands and knees, shining their phone flashlight under the sofa. Dust bunnies danced in the light. Then a glint of metal. Tucked deep in the corner, almost hidden by a stray toy, was a small bunch of keys. Alex reached in and pulled them out. They were definitely Aunt Carol's keys, with the little cat keychain she loved. "This is impossible," Alex breathed, staring at the keys, then back at the letter in their other hand. The next prediction made Alex's stomach flip. "You will have a big argument with your best friend, Jamie, about the school talent show." Alex and Jamie were inseparable. They never argued, especially not about something fun like the talent show they were planning to enter together with a comedy skit. "No," Alex said firmly, "this one won't happen. I'll make sure of it." Alex decided to be extra nice to Jamie all day. Alex met Jamie at school, full of compliments and smiles. But Jamie seemed distracted and a bit down. "What's wrong?" asked. Jamie mumbled something about their idea for the talent show being lame. Alex, trying to be encouraging, said, "No, it's great." But Jamie took it the wrong way. "You're just saying that. You don't really think it's good, do you?" One thing led to another, and soon voices were raised. They were arguing right there in the school hallway about the talent show. Just like the letter said. Alex felt awful. Alex felt a mix of fear and fascination. The letter was always right. The next prediction was huge. "You will win the Young Artist of the Year award at the town fair for your painting of the old oak tree." Alex loved to paint but had never won anything big. The town fair was next month, and Alex had been working on a painting of the ancient oak tree at the park. Could this be real? A surge of excitement mixed with nervousness filled Alex. The day of the town fair arrived. Alex's painting was displayed with many others. The argument with Jamie was still a sore point, but the thought of the letter's prediction gave Alex a strange sense of calm. When the announcer called, and the Young Artist of the Year award goes to Alex, Alex's jaw dropped. It was happening. Walking up to receive the award, a beautiful glass trophy, Alex felt a dizzying rush. The letter was true, down to the last detail. Later that evening, Alex sat on their bed, holding the trophy and rereading the letter. There were no more predictions. The letter ended with, "The future is a path, Alex. Knowing some steps doesn't mean you stop walking. Use your gifts, be kind, and make your own wonderful story." Alex smiled. The letter was a mystery, but maybe its real gift wasn't seeing the future, but the confidence to face it and perhaps even to make it better. Alex decided to call Jamie and apologize. The future, Alex realized, was still full of choices.